Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about replacing the spool. First off, there are two tabs, one on each side, that we will need to press in before we can remove the spool. Next, we can pull that spool cover and spool housing out of our trimmer. Now, if we were just replacing our spool, we'll need to install the new one and feed the line through each of the holes in each of the sides. Once you get the line fed through the holes and the spool back in place, you can replace your cap and snap it in place. Now you'll want to make sure and test out your trimmer once you reinstall that spool, just to make sure you installed it correctly. And everything seems to be working properly. Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be relining our trimmer.